Earpod.
Here for a good time, not a long time. One night. Nice. And read. Your boys are working up a sweaty. It's football. What do you mean? It's not soccer. It's football.
Smiley, see that big game, big game.
They want to call it soccer now.
What's the contract for free for?
You want to call it soccer. Soccer is soccer.
Body.
Unless the kids do
What's the
something.
score? 3-3. Yeah, 2-3.
Basketball, soccer, all of them things.
Oh, scared. 4, 3. We're fighting with him. It's being fun. Yo. Good. Good. Take a shot, boy. What that? 5-4. Earpod jump. Yo.
Whoa! I almost.
The earpod jack, pick it up.
And you played in your slippers. You're blessed. All right, look. It's good. You know this. Okay.
One. Oh. Good. Take it for him. Yo. You hurt one. You hurt one. You hurt. Ooh, me, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. All right. All right. I'm good. I'm good. Oh. Oh. What that? Hi. Hi. Mhm. 5-5. Yo, see that? Drop out a small packet. Already open. Which reaction? Box not. Woo! When? Oh. What? Yeah. Oh, oh shit. You have to grab the wall. Kick it and run. What do you mean? Kick it and run fast. You see that, eh?
Yeah.
Thief. That was a penalty shot right there. The more curve, I pushed it out too. Real. Yo. Wait up. That girl who I hear some really R&B. Some old school R&B. I don't know. Push it. Aliyah? Wait, go back. Look what's for next 6 time we out, man. Yeah. You know what to compete now? Yo, hold up. T. Piramid. Rushing. Pressure. I'm under pressure right now. Pressure. Fuck! What Richard said? You know one man I play this. Rush it. Even wrong himself too. Yo, bitch, yo. That was too easy. Hold on here, man. Hold on here. Tired dog. One. If I go in there, oh, Lee. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. I should be on the YouTube channel later, yeah? I'm going to take a brush. Did you? No. Oh, Lee. You can't watch yourself. No, I won't. Alright. We say we have got 12, right? Mad. What do you mean? I can call ambulance. Yo. At 12 we have got. Hey, damn man, it's that. Tired, dog. Yeah, man. Tired. I'm 6 or no, man. Tired, dog. Yeah, man. Salad. Real baller. Yo. Big goal, huh? Where? Oh! Woo! Woo! Get this. Make sure you get this on 4K. Good. Man, now look. Might as well, me tired.